everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely remove our questions plugin from Redmine 7.0.0 stable. Currently, the Redmine 7 is the very latest Redmine that was released 1 month ago, and we are in the middle of 2026 now. So this all is going to happen on the operating system Linux Ubuntu 26.04. Here, 04 means that it was released on April this year, 2026, and this is going to be an LTC Ubuntu, meaning that it is going to be a long-term support version, so it is going to be active for a lot of years ahead. In other words, this is a great operating system that is going to be supported a very long time. Okay, so now the very first thing that we need to do is to open our terminal in Linux, and then we have to navigate to the folder of Redmine. In my case, this is the Redmine path where my Redmine has been installed, but please note that in your case it could be somewhere else, so the directory and path of your installation could be somewhere else. So please double check this before you start anything. Now, as we're being into this folder, we have to downgrade our database now. This means that it is going to delete all the database tables that are related to our questions plugin. So this is going to happen with the command sudo bundle exec rake redmine plugins, and then name, that is redmine questions. And the most important part of this command is this version 0. So this is going to actually downgrade our database. And the last parameter is Rails and production. This is pointing the Redmine server to be a production one. Okay, so we click enter, put our password of sudo, and these rows here mean that the downgrading of the database has been successfully done. So we see here we got drop table questions sections, drop table questions answers, and so on. This is dropping and deleting the tables of questions. So it has been successfully executed. Good. So the next step that we need to do is to just remove the folder itself from the plugins folder. So we change the directory to plugins, and list now to see the questions folder is here. Okay, so we could also check this in the files system of Ubuntu. So we just copy the path. So we go now here and paste the path. So we see our questions folder here. We need to remove it. This is it. So we do it with the command sudo remove and name of the folder. This argument here means that it is going to delete all the folders inside this folder. So it is going to recursively delete all the subfolders into this main folder. So this is it. Okay, so if we list now again, we see that there is no questions folder anymore. We have completely removed it, all right? So if we check here in the file system as well, yeah, we do not see the questions folder anymore. And now there is one more step. We need to restart our Redmine. So it could happen if you're using, for example, a Bitnami Redmine virtual machine. You can switch off the machine, then switch it on, and there also are other methods for restarting. But in my case, I'm running the Redmine into a terminal. So I run it into this way. It has been started with this command. It is running now. And if I close the terminal, actually I put my Redmine to be down. Okay, so if I go and refresh, I see that Redmine is not accessible because it is down. So I need to start it again via the terminal. So in other words, this is my way of restart Redmine. So I started again with this command. and wait a couple of seconds to start. Okay, so it is now started. And if I refresh now, I see that the questions plugin is no more listed here on the plugins list. So this is it. We have successfully removed the questions plugin from all over this Redmine 7 in particular. Okay, so glad to know that I was able to help you. And if you like this video, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. You could subscribe to our channel on YouTube. And yeah, if you have some questions or problems, or you want to just say hi to our team, then please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com, and we will help you every time, as always. So thanks again for the patience of watching this, and bye bye for now.